Hi everybody. In this video, we will give you part 7 of the Microsoft Office Word course. You will learn here how to do page setup in Word document, which contain how to change margins in Word, how to change page orientation, how to change page size, how to make format column in Word, how to make hyphenation, how to make hyphenation, how to make page break in the Word. First, I want to tell you all this was in page set, which is in page layout tab here. Here is the page set. Let's begin with how to change margins in Word. What is the margin? Is the empty space between document content and the edges of the page. The default was 1 inch on each side of the page, and you can put your custom margins. How I can go to margins? I select page layout, page setup, margins. As you see, there is many type of margins, which is normal, narrow, moderate, which I use it now, wide, mirror. If I want to use custom margin, I just go page layout, margins, custom margins, and I put my custom margins, okay, and then I click OK. This is how to do and change margins in the Word. The second item in the page setup was page orientation. I want to change the page orientation of this Word document page. I go to page layout, then I click this small triangle of orientation. I will see two types of orientation: portrait, which is the vertical, landscape, which is the horizontal. I will click landscape. This is the landscape. I want to return it to the portrait, which is the vertical. I go to page layout, orientation, portrait. We finish now page orientation. Now, if I want to change the page size, I will go to page layout tab and click in the page setup. Click this small rectangular. I will see the size, which is the types of the paper which use it in the manufacture or printing, like A5, A4, B5, and other. As envelope, actually, we use A4 as the default. So I click A4 and I will choose it. If I have a custom paper size, what I will do, I will go page layout, size, more paper size, and here I will go click this, go to custom size, and I will put my custom size. Okay, cancel it because we don't have a custom size of paper. So now we will finish. The how to change paper size in the Word. I repeated, from page layout, size, and choose any paper size you wanted. The default was A4. Okay. Now we will go and know how to make and format columns in the Word. The columns used in a newsletter or magazine. And if you want to print to a magazine, it will be better to print your text in columns. I will go to page layout, page setup, columns, and choose the number of columns I wanted. I will choose 2. Sorry. Uh, okay. I the select. There is no select. What I do from here, I go to page layout, columns, choose 2 columns. As you see, there is 2 columns for your text. And you put the cursor, I put the cursor here, it will be, and I will continue to print in, because this column is finished, I continue to print in another columns. I don't like this, so I will go to page layout, columns 1. So we finish uh, change margins, page orientation, page size, and how to format columns. If I want to make hyphenation, what I will do, I will go to page layout, hyphenation. I want to show you this small example of hyphenation, which is this. I have this text. I selected, then I go page layout, hyphenation, and click automatic, and you will see the result. Doesn't work, I will try again. Click this. Okay. 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 No, automatically. Just finished. Want to check the rest? No. I want indentation is complete. I will start. Make indentation. What I do? Sorry. That sometimes the command will not be active. Don't worry about this. I will try it. Hypertension is complete. Okay. Automatically. Okay. I will see. The hypertension will put hyphen, hyphen, sorry, to the word. What I will do, I will choose another text. Select this, go to hypertension. Okay. Automatically. Okay. Because he don't find a word to hypertension, I will try another one. Punctuation is complete. So, sorry, I will try here with column break. Here, this one. As you see, this is the high punctuation. This is the high punctuation. Now, okay, now I will try. I want to make high punctuation. I will go to page layout, high punctuation, automatic. As you see, this is the high punctuation. Okay. Then the last item was how to make a page break, how to insert a new page in the Word document. How to insert a new page in the Word document. What is the page break? Is a special marker that will end the current page and start a new one. I want to put a page break here. I put the cursor here, then click the insert tab and click the page break button. As you see, this is the page break. If I want to remove the page break, what I do, I will go to home, activate the show hide marks, then go to page break and double click it. Then press the delete button. I will repeat it. As you see, it will remove the page break. Then I will hide this mark. Okay. I want to repeat the page break. If I want to make the page break from here, I put the cursor, then go to insert, then click the page break. It will give this page break. If I want, as you see, if I want to remove that page break, I will go to home, click the show hide mark. I want to remove it. I will select the page break and double click on it, then press the delete button in the keyboard. As you see, it will return to its default situation of the Word document. I click now the show hide mark. That's all. We finish all the content of the page setup in the page layout with the page break in the insert tab. Okay, goodbye.